Today, I will introduce a standard row system for well water treatment. Well water is drawn from underground into a raw water tank by a submersible pump. Then it's pressurized by the raw water pump to enter the pretreatment system. First is coarse sand filtration, used to remove sediment, rust, and other larger impurities, protecting downstream equipment. Next is activated carbon filtration, primarily absorbing residual chlorine, odors, and organic matter in the water to avoid damaging the raw membrane. The third step is the water softener, removing calcium and magnesium ions through ion exchange to prevent scaling. The pre-treated water enters the raw system, first passing through a security filter to further remove fine particles and prevent raw membrane clogging. Then it's pressurized by high-pressure pump, and the pressure, water passes through the raw membrane, separating purified water from concentrated water. The concentrated water is discharged through a drain pipe, while the purified water enters a pure water tank for storage. When the factory requires water, the pure water is drained out by a supply pump, passes through a UV sterilizer to kill residual bacteria and viruses, and is finally delivered to the production line for use. Well water treatment is just one of our many water treatment solutions. We have major solutions for industries like food and beverage, electronics, chemical, pharmaceutical, and seawater desalination. Please contact us if you are interested. Thanks for watching.